Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at Ankr. Ankr is currently pumping right now from the all-time high. It got at $2.1. It dumped more than 89%, but right now it's pumping really hard. It went from as low as $0.02 to as high as $0.49. Should we start buying some Ankr right now? How high can it go in this relief rally? In this video, I'll show you important levels Ankr will face significant resistance if it's going to attempt to pump into new all-time highs. Guys, we have a very green week in the altcoin market. We have a very green month in the altcoin market. Altcoins are popping really hard right now. Currently, we're in altcoin season. So should we start buying some Ankr right now? We'll be taking a look at Ankr's performance against Bitcoin, Ankr's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Ankr market cap. How high can it go in this relief rally? Can it break the all-time high of $1.5 billion? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading or investing in Ankr in the long haul, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, kicking off today's video, we have a very green month in the altcoin market. Altcoins are pumping to the moon. Any altcoin bought in the last 30 days should be in profit right now. In the last 1 week, we still have a very green day in the altcoin market. But guys, in the last 1 day, we're having a red day in the crypto market, but Ankr is one of the best performance in the last 24 hours. It's up more than 39%. In the last 1 year, it's down 54.6%. But the good news is that in the last 1 month, it's up 81.9%. In the last 1 week, it's up 49%. And in the last 1 day, it's up 39%. Guys, before we take a look at the Ankr US dollar price chart, let's look at some details about it. Currently, it's currently ranked number 91 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 209,000 people that have Ankr on their watch list. It has a market cap of $469 million. We have over 9.66 billion Ankr in circulation out of a maximum supply of 10 billion tokens. In the last 1 year, Ankr has gone as high as $0.21 and as low as $0.023. Why should we hold some Ankr through the bear market, and where can we get some Ankr? Ankr is a decentralized blockchain infrastructure provider that operates on arrays of nodes globally distributed over 50 proof-of-stake network. The infrastructure helps drive the growth of crypto economy while powering a full suite of multi-chain tools for Web3 users. What makes Ankr unique? Ankr is uniquely positioned as a node infrastructure and decentralized web service provider that allow dApps and blockchains to run and communicate with each other seamlessly, while allowing users to earn more with their asset by delegating them easily to validator nodes. This is in contrast with centralized solutions like AWS, blockchain, and many others. And where can you get some if you want to hold some through the bear market? Guys, very popular altcoin. You can get some on Binance, on Coinbase, on KuCoin, Hugo Global, Git.io, Kraken, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Right now, let's take a look at the Ankr US dollar price chart from the all-time high it had in 2021 March. It dumped really hard. It lost more than 89% of its value. Guys, that's what altcoins do during the bear market. They dump really hard. But why did they dump really hard during the bear market, guys? It's because during the bull run, they had a wonderful rise to the top. For Ankr's case, from March 2020, it went as high as over 34,000% in just over 375 days. Crazy returns if you ask me. If you invested over $1,000 right here March 2020, guys, you got to cash out over $340,000 if you sold that same amount of Ankr at the top right here. But anytime you see huge pumps in crypto, guys, there's always huge dumps. Because of that, guys, we went on the crazy dump from March 2021. Ankr has been dumping really hard to where we finally bottomed in June 2022. Right now, we're having a rally in the altcoin market. As I showed you guys earlier, altcoins are going to the moon. In the last 50 days, Ankr has gone up more than 131%. So should we start buying more right now, or should we wait for this relief rally to be over because we're expecting lower prices? These are the important resistance level that Ankr will need to pass for us to know that maybe, just maybe, this relief rally is real and we can start going to new all-time highs. Because guys, in the bear market, a lot of these altcoins are going to pump. People are going to believe the bull market is back. A lot of people will be YOLOing at the top, but we're just setting up for lower prices. So we need Ankr to pass the 0.0583 level. There's a very important level for it. You can see that over time it has respected that level. Before we went into new all-time highs, we had to go through 0.06 level, 0.05, And when we dumped in 2021, we had a mini bear market in the crypto market. We found support around that level, and we didn't come back to test that region till 2022. So before we dumped Goblin Town, we finally got there. We got the bounce off there that took us to as high as 0.099, and this was in April 2022. And after that, we dumped really hard. And guys, that's why we need to be careful right now that Ankr is rallying. We see that we're hitting huge resistance, and you can look at the RSI. The RSI basically going up in a straight line. At some point in time, it's going to turn on itself. So if we can pass this level, this is a very pivotal level for Ankr. If we can pass it, maybe, just maybe, we might be seeing higher prices, because guys, just know that we're in the bear market. Even though altcoin season index is showing us that right now we're in alt season. Altcoins are pumping, the market is green. But guys, remember, the fact that all these altcoins are pumping, the fact that they're outperforming Bitcoin, that is actually not a good sign. When we see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin, yes, if you're holding altcoins, you'll be happy. If you're holding some Ankr, you'll be happy. But it means we're almost getting to the end of that rally. If we can magically pass the 0.058 level, then maybe we'll be heading towards the 0.10 level, and that's where we got stopped out in April 2022. That's another very important level for Ankr. You can see right here that that level has been respected by Ankr quite a number of times. When we're pumping to new all-time highs, we found support around that region, and even in 2021 August, when the market was rallying and we're having a relief rally, we had to consolidate around that region before we finally broke through it. As we started dumping to Goblin Town in April, we had a relief rally, and that's where we got stopped out. And that's why I'm telling you to be careful right now, because maybe, just maybe, what happened in April is going to happen right now. We get to the 0.059 level, a lot of people get bullish thinking maybe we're going to new all-time highs, and boom, we'll start dumping again. Because guys, during the bear market, we know that all coins can dump 90 to 99% during the bear market, because they have had wonderful bull runs. And anytime you see a huge run up in price in all these altcoins, you know that the long bear market is around the corner. And guys, after Ankr did more than 30,000%, you expect it to drop at least maybe 90, maybe 96% from its all-time high. We've seen Ethereum in its first bull run, Ethereum drop more than 94% from its all-time high. So I won't be surprised to see Ankr trading for $0.00924 in the nearest future. That will mean it have dropped more than 95% from its all-time high. Guys, the bear market still has a lot of room to run. Usually for these altcoins, the bear market is around 800 days. If we take a look at other news stories where Ankr is popping right now, you see that they have a lot of partnerships. Join the largest network of RP partners. They are partnered with Avalanche, BSC, Silo, Ethereum, Fantalk. Basically, any good network that is out there has a good partnership with this altcoin. This is why it's very good hold during the bear market. And we're seeing that Ankr receives strategic investment from Binance Lab. They are going to be getting some money pumped into the ecosystem. Maybe that's why the price is pumping. Let's take a look at how Ankr is performing against Bitcoin. Against Bitcoin, it went on a gigantic bull run in 2020. Entering 2021, it went from the lows, it outperformed Bitcoin by more than 2,400%. But guys, anytime all altcoins outperform Bitcoin during the bull market, guess what happened during the bear market? They lose back all that value. They go on what we call a round trip. Right now, Ankr is just down 75% against Bitcoin. Since it topped in 470 days, it lost more than 76% of its value. But in the last 50 days, we've been seeing a change in trend. It has been outperforming Bitcoin. It has outperformed Bitcoin to the tune of 150%. Should we start selling our Ankr for some Bitcoin right now, or should we start flipping our Bitcoin? History has shown you want to be flipping your Ankr for some Bitcoin when we have all these long green dildos, because all these up-only actions cannot be sustainable. We need more buyers to keep pushing the price up, and when we stop getting more buyers, what will happen to the price? It will turn on by itself, and all the people that got to buy the top price here, they are going to capitulate at the bottom. If you take a look at Ankr's performance against Ethereum, it's similar to the performance against Bitcoin. When the market is dumping, it dumps really hard. You can see from March 2019 when it was launched, it lost so much value against Ethereum, finally finding its bottom in April 2020. But after that, when it found its bottom against Ethereum in April 2020, it went on a huge run up against Ethereum. It went up more than 1,800% in just 227 days. And after that huge run up, it started dumping, and that's why, guys, I'm telling you guys to be careful right now. The Ankr is pumping really hard to the upside. It dumped another 86%. Most times when you see all this parabolic move, they happen at the end of a move. That means when the move is coming to an end, when everybody believes, oh, the rally is real, we're going to continue pumping to the moon, that is when you want to be selling. If you take a look at Ankr's market cap, it was sitting at $335 million before it started having this pump. Right now, it has hit resistance around $475 million, and that's a very important level for the Ankr market cap chart. If you can break through that level, maybe, just maybe, we're going to see it get to the April high, and that was around the $810 million level. And by some stroke of magic, or because of the merge, we go into a huge bull run, and this is not just a relief rally, this is the start of a new bull run. Maybe, just maybe, we'll start going to the all-time highs of $1.5 billion. I believe at some point in time in the future, Ankr's market cap is going to go above $1.5 billion. The question is, when will that happen, and how long will the bear market last? Because right now, even though the altcoin season index is showing us my altcoin season, we know that we still do our time in the bear market, and history has shown us that a lot of these altcoins will take maybe, just maybe, at least a year before they find their bottom. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be buying more Ankr right now in the bear market? Do you think this rally can be sustained? Do you think the altcoins will keep going to the moon? And what's your bear market strategy for Ankr right now? Will you be buying more, selling to the rally, or just holding through the chaos? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.